Welcome back to my channel again, my dear friends and my dear students. आज हम लोग पीछे का कुछ रिवीजन करते हुए आगे बढ़ेंगे. सबसे पहले पाइथन में हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था कैरेक्टर सेट एंड it is a set of valid character that a language can recognize. It can be alphanumeric, it can be a special symbol, white spaces and other characters are also there. And after the character set, we talked about token. It is the smallest unit in a program, and the token is also known as lexical unit. And it is of five types: keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, punctuators. Keywords is a reserved word. There are total 35 keywords in Python, and each keyword has a specific meaning to Python interpreter. And there are three keywords: false, none and true. Their first letter is in capital and the rest 32 keywords are in a small letter. And after the keywords, the identifier token is there, which is a building block of a program, and they are actually names used to identify the variable, function, class, objects, dictionary or other identities. And all of you know the rules for naming the identifier. It can start with the upper or the lower case or the underscore symbol you can use in the beginning while naming the identifier, and no other special character except the underscore are used. Okay, after the identifier, literal tokens is there. Literals are the data items that have fixed values. There are five types of literal tokens, and they are string literal, numeric literal, boolean, special literal, that is none, and last one is the literal collection. In the literal collection, list, tuple and dictionaries are there. Okay, then today we are going to continue with other token, which is known as operator token. What is operator? It performs mathematical or the logical operations on the values. The values that the operator works on is called operand. Okay, suppose that a plus b is equal to c. एक इक्वेशन में मैंने लिखा है a plus b equal to c. Then plus and equal to signs are operator, and a and b, it is the operand, and the c that a plus b equal to c में c जो है वो result हुआ that we get after the operations. And there are various types of operator tokens. First one is the arithmetic operator, in which we use plus, minus, ampersand, plus, minus, modulus. Then the assignment operator is there, that is the equal to sign, plus equal to, minus equal to, and equal to plus, या फिर equal to minus. After the assignment operator, comparison operator is there, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, not equal to. कंपैरिजन ऑपरेटर को हम लोग रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर भी बोलते हैं. एंड द फोर्थ वन इज द लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर. इट इज its logical operators are and, or, not. There are three logical operators: and, or, and not. Then bitwise operator is there. Then two special operators are there in Python, that is known as identity operator and the membership operator. What is the identity operator? There are two types of identity operators: is and is not. And the membership operators are in and the not in. Identity operator is and is not. Membership operator is in and not in. Okay. Now we are going to start with the arithmetic operator. As all of you know that the plus, minus, multiplication and the divisions are the arithmetic operators. And one more operator is there, that is the modular division. That is the percent sign. Percent sign is used for the modular division and that will give the result, that will give the remainder as a result. And the double front slash, which is floor division. Okay. And that is also, that floor division is also known as the integer division, and it gives the result, and it gives the quotient as a result. In floor division we get the quotient as a result, and the floor division is also known as integer divisions. It returns only the integer value and do not show the decimal part. That is the most important part of the floor division. Then next arithmetic operator is the exponent arithmetic operator. That is the 2 asterisk sign, and it raises the base to the power of the exponent, or it multiplies the base as many times as given in the exponent. One more thing, plus sign is used for the addition in the arithmetic operators, but it is also used in one more place that is to concatenate the two strings. If the operands are the strings, then it will concatenate the strings. And asterisk sign is used for the multiplications, single asterisk sign, and it repeats the items on the left side of the operator if the first operand in a string and the second operand is the integer value. It is used to repeat the string also. Then comes, after the arithmetic operator, these are the arithmetic operators that we have just discussed. And the next operator is the relational operator. It compares the value of the operands and determines the relationship among them, and it returns the result in true or false. Just suppose that less than sign, greater than sign, less than equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to, or equal to. Next operator is the assignment operator. It assigns the value of RHS to the variable of LHS. RHS means right hand side, LHS means left hand side. राइट हैंड साइड में जो भी वैल्यू होगी उसको वो LHS में असाइन करेगा. And it is a equal to sign which is used as an assignment operator. Sometimes plus equal to, minus equal to, slash equal to, asterisk equal to, double front slash equal to, or modulo equal to are also used as an assignment operator. Then comes the logical operators. Logical operators, it is always written, there are three types of logical operators: and, or, and not. They are always written in the small letter, and it evaluates to true or false as a result. Okay, लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर के बारे में हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में और डिटेल्स में पढ़ेंगे, क्योंकि इसके बाद मेंबरशिप ऑपरेटर है और द आइडेंटिटी ऑपरेटर है, विच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग. सो आज के वीडियो हम यहीं तक रखते हैं. टिल देन, गुड बाय.